Hey y'all, I had to get on here and let you know how amazing the new doTERRA Cleanse and Restore kit is. Since we have the VMG Plus, it has cut down 12 pills that you have to take daily during this 30-day cleanse. And it's so amazing because now it comes in the sachet where you just mix it with water. I'm about to take mine right now. So this morning, I'm on day 4. Okay, so I have my VMG mixed up. And then the other supplements that you take for it are the E Omega Plus, which is an amazing omega oil for the cardiovascular system. It's great for the brain. This oil has actually, because it's blended with the amazing doTERRA Wild Orange, it has been shown to lower diastolic blood pressure and resting heart rate. So an amazing supplement, and you take 3 of these in the morning, and they're a little bit big, but the amazing thing is that you can just pop them in your mouth, chew it, and it'll pop, and you can just get the oil out of it, and you can do that for all 3, so you don't even have to swallow them if you don't want to, and it tastes like wild orange. If you want to swallow them, you certainly can. So then we also have the Zendocrine detoxification soft gels, and these will help bind toxins out of the body to eliminate. And we have the Zendocrine detoxification blend, and this is more with herbs, whereas the soft gel is more essential oils. And this one helps to actually cleanse out the filtering organs, and this Zendocrine will help to eliminate out of the body. Then we have Terrazyme, this is actually the Terrazyme that comes with it. I'm just using up the rest of one that I had. And this Terrazyme is amazing for digestive enzymes. So the Terrazyme helps to break down the food so your body doesn't have to work so hard. That energy can be redistributed into areas that is necessary so we don't feel so much fatigue, and it helps to absorb the nutrients that we're getting from our foods. So you take one on an empty stomach. I'll take one of these on an empty stomach when I get up, and then one before I go to bed, but then you take 2 with each meal. And so it really helps to just break down everything in the gut more efficiently to prepare for elimination. Okay, so these are the ones that I'm going to be taking this morning. So the drink, and then I would have had 3 omegas, and then I have 4 other little pills in here. And that is all I take for my morning. But then the other vitamin supplements that we have are this amazing PB Restore. It is a probiome complex, which has prebiotics, probiotics, and postbiotics, which they all combine together. This amazing culmination of what we need in our gut to help the good bacteria get rid of bad bacteria and improve digestion. And when we can do that, we get our nutrients better, and we can feel better all around, physically, emotionally, mentally. Okay, so probiotics are amazing. Then you have the GX Assist, which you actually take day 11 onto day 30. So there is a specific list on how you do the cleanse right on the website. Now, this one is a little bit hard to see. It's kind of small in the letters and the wording. So definitely get a hold of me, because I can get you a nice large, this is the old one, but definitely get you one that is with the new recommendations, the new supplements, the new formulations. Okay, so the GX Assist is really great to eliminate all the bad bacteria. It's a GI cleansing formula is what it is, and it's essential oil digestive maintenance program. So you would take this not the same time as a probiotic, and you don't take it the first 10 days either. So there's 3 stages in the cleanse. Activate, so all the stuff that I'm taking now is activating my system, getting it kind of prepared. Then the second phase is day 11 through 20, and that is to reset. So we're going to be like getting all the stuff out of the body. And then to renew is the last phase. And renew is when we're really focusing on, so the reset is more, we're focusing on GX Assist. We want to get all the bad stuff out. And then when that's done, the DDR Prime comes in, and it helps rebuild everything. Like, it helps to get the cells rebuilt the proper way. So the DDR Prime is the essential oil cellular blend. It has oils like frankincense, wild orange, litsea, thyme, clove, summer savory, nioli, and lemongrass. And all those are such amazing oils for like rebuilding and renewing. So an amazing set of supplements. Don't want to forget the lemon oil. This is such a great oil to have in the cleanse and restore kit because we just put it in your water. It is amazing for cleansing. It has so many awesome purposes and it tastes great. So adding this to your water only enhances the 12 pills less than it used to be. And when I used to take the old one, I would have to make sure that I'm really implementing things to keep from getting constipated. And I feel like it was just because there was so many pills and having to digest all of the capsules. But now it's not an issue. So really loving this cleanse. I'm on day 4. If you're interested in focusing on cleansing right now and need the support of a system, this is the system. So I'd love to talk to you. Have a great day. Good morning. Today is day 6 of my cleanse, and so far it has been amazing. I dropped 4 pounds just from, being able to get rid of water weight and junk in the gut, and feeling good and super excited about the rest of the cleanse.